Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the style attribute. So what a style attribute, the style we have the style tag, which inside that we can put as styles for that, CSS properties. But from HTML5 you can directly use those by typing a attribute by style. By there are men which who love this kind of approach, but I'm not gonna go with every time. So sometimes I do. So first h1 and style and color, and then I'm gonna put blue. So when you do that, this is a header. And when we're done with that, we can see there is a blue. You can add more to it. Not just that, you can add what we call, let me see, you can add just the give the semicolon, text align and center. Just do that and you can see that how cool it is. So this is the way you can do that. This is not the approach I go with every time, but yeah, this is the option. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.